Hello everyone, welcome back to Waterweight. Happy to see you guys back. Today I'm going to be doing a video on my limited amount of MAC products that I own. I own enough to do, I think, a full face and a couple of things to add in to fill in. So I thought I'd kind of play around with that a little bit because we're getting some new palettes out. We're getting a new Naughty Girl palette for anniversary, which is happening on the 20th, and actually a little bit earlier, it's before that, but the 20th is when everyone can shop there and get their goodies. So I thought I would go ahead and do a MAC kind of try because we're going into that kind of product too. And this is M.A.C Prep+Prime. This is a primer, obviously, and I'm just going to take a little tiny dab on the areas where I have some larger pores, which is on my nose and kind of next to my nose. I don't really have a whole lot of larger pores, but right in the center of the face is usually a good area to blend out and blur out. And I have drier skin, so I don't really need to do a lot of moisture, so that's kind of an easy way to go. So this, I'm going to go ahead and start off with the M.A.C Mineralize Moisture SPF 15. I'm going to use my fingers because it's in a little sample container. So we'll do this one on the side. I could use, I have sponges and I have brush and all that kind of good stuff, but this is a quick way to get it on, and it's really a pretty thin foundation, so I'll probably go back with a little bit more color, maybe with the other one. We'll see. We'll just see. This one has more, again, more glow, little bits of mica in there to kind of blur things out. And so I'll just go ahead and close that up there so I don't spill it. And then the Waterweight SPF 30 is a kind of a liquidy one. It's just a little dropper. So I'm going to put a little dab on the other side here. So it looks pinker on this side and looks a little bit more golden on this side. So that's the difference I'm seeing right there. So I think I like the golden part better. It's kind of hard to say. I break out a little bit along here. I realize it's probably from using the my bronzer, my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. I'm starting to get little bumps here and here. I usually don't have those there, so that's going to be put away for a while until I can get back to doing anything more, more important. So I'm going to go ahead and go back with this one here. I will do the Waterweight again. Give some more product and get my beauty blender and just get some good coverage. It's not super full, so it just gives you enough to look even and polished. So sponge really is a great way to apply it. Okay, so there's that. I'll grab a towel so I don't make a mess of myself. So I'm going to go ahead and fill my brows. I don't have a MAC brow pencil, so I'm going to use just a regular drugstore one just to fill in the brows. The palette that I have is has been in my drawer for a while. I've got all kinds of palettes that I haven't used in a while, and I thought I would kind of go do a throwback Thursday kind of thing and just do some more fun things with products I haven't used in a while. So for our shadows and blush, I have a palette that I bought at Nordstrom so many years ago, and this one obviously I dug into and hit pan. Several are shallower, but that's kind of like that, so that's not too bad. So I'm going to do a kind of a the brush, just kind of vanilla color all over the lid. One long hair, right in my eye there. So this will set the foundation a little bit on the lids. Again, I don't have every everything to do a whole full look, but I eventually probably will buy some more things just to kind of have more things to play with. So we have a couple of MAC brushes over here. There's that one there. The other one's probably upstairs. Anyway, that's okay. So I'm going to go ahead and use, this is a dual-sided brush here, so I'm going to use this kind of chocolatey color on the outer corner of the lid. It's weird not using primer on my eyes, but this is trying to kind of stick with all the things that I already own. I'll just go in here and just kind of blend it out so it's all softened up. I think with both brushes, just kind of see which one I like better for how it's blending. And then we'll do, let's see here, kind of lavender color, inner corner, doorbell ring, and I'm busy, so it's probably a UPS box. That's what happens, you get lots of UPS boxes, and or boxes from Amazon. So that's just kind of a 3-color kind of shadow look. So I think we'll go ahead and do the blushes. I'll mix 2 blushes together because I have a lip color that's kind of a peachy kind of mid-range color, so it's all just kind of swirl together. These both colors here. And then we'll do a little bit of a strobe cream to kind of highlight cheekbones. And this is a sample size, so we'll just take a little tiny dab of this. It's kind of really glowy stuff, and then tap it on top of the cheekbone. And because of the formula I chose for the foundations, ones I happen to own, those are the ones that show the freckles through. So that's what's happening here. I'm going to go ahead and go in with my M.A.C Mineralize powder to set the whole thing. It's hard to get this thing open because I just always grab it the wrong section. So this is the M.A.C Mineralize, and this is in Lightscapade, so a super, super light one. And I'll just do the big fat brush here and set whatever's here so far. There, and then I want to do a tight line, just do a kind of it's kind of, well, yeah, I will do, I still want to do that. I'm going to go ahead and do in my tight line. Makes the mascara look a lot more impressive when you have a tight line that's waterproof and it's kind of big for that small area on the eye. So there we have that. And then the mascara is the, so I can go ahead and line with this too. This is actually a Clinique one, but go over the top here just to get a little tighter line there. On the top. And then back again. So there's the liner, it looks pretty good there like that. And then the mascara is False Lashes. So we'll pop this on here. This is a little sample one. The brush is huge, it takes up the whole entire container. I don't find that this does a lot of volume for me, so I usually will go in their mascara and get a little bit more volume. My Clinique mascara does a lot better volume for this one, but it's just another one that some people love, and it's just different things that I've picked up and played with as I've gotten samples from friends of mine at work and stuff like that. So it's not enough pigment for me for my lashes. So I will go ahead and go with my Clinique mascara, high impact mascara. I can hear the dogs eating crunchies right now. They're having their breakfast, or their lunch, I guess. They had breakfast already. These dogs are always eating. So the lip color that I actually have that I purchased before is from M.A.C, of course, again. And the colors, oh, it's okay. It's kind of in between colors. It smells like chocolate, though. It's like a little cute little fancy one from a limited edition event. But so go ahead and use this first. And it's okay color. It's not. I ordered it online, so I'm like, I don't know, it's not my favorite thing. So then I went and bought a new one from, it's the Oh Sweetie lip gloss palette. And instead of putting it on I don't want to get mixed up with the lip gloss, I'll just put it on my finger instead. So I'll put it on my finger. And now I like it more. So that is that, actually. So that's all of my little products for today for this look, and kind of fun, just kind of more natural, definitely skin showing through and all that. So I hope you guys enjoyed my video, and I will talk to you soon.